Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of our video, that the series which are putting for Playwright for automation. Okay, so now it's going to be the next video. Already we saw the introduction and station. We saw how to test a particular web-based application with different browsers, both in headless mode and headful mode. We saw in the last video. This is going to be the continuation of the next video, next part of a series, right? This time I'm going to add C locators, right? How to pass value in a text field. Okay, so that is the concept here, right? How to pass. Normally in Selenium we do send keys, right? Send keys method to pass the value in the text field, so how we are going to pass through Playwright. So that is the agenda here. Okay, let me create a new class, passing values. Let me create a, since we are doing Java, hope you all remember, we are doing Playwright with Java. It can be done through TypeScript and JavaScript also. So shortly we'll post the video for that also. Please hold on for some time now. Okay, so now I've created a main method. Okay, instead of cut shorting the time, I'm already copying the previous code which we did in the last video. I'm pasting here. Okay, so go through the previous video for this small understanding of the first four lines of code, guys. Okay, please watch the first video. Okay, so now I'll go for Chrome browser. Okay, I'll go for a Chrome. Hope you please watch the second part of video so that you will understand line by line of this code. Okay, now what we do is I'm going to this orange hr application, right? I want to pass values for this orange hrm application. Okay, so what I should do is I should go and pass the values in an orange hrm. For example, I should write username and I should give password and click the login button. How to automate this with the help of this Playwright? Normally in Selenium we give dot send keys, right? We give driver dot find element by dot locator, and we give the send keys value to pass in Selenium. So how to do this with the help of this Playwright automation? Okay, so that is what we are going to see there. Let's go to Eclipse. Here also we are using Eclipse, right? Hope you remember the first part of video. Okay, so first line we are just launching the Playwright, and next one is launching the first, we are creating instance of the Playwright. Explanation of the first line, creating the instance of the Playwright. Then we are launching the browser in the second line, that is 15th line, right? Then we are giving an options for which browser and what mode of execution, like headless or head. Okay, and which browser to launch. Okay, so by default it takes Chromium what channel I'm giving. So that is what we are giving here. And next one is, as I told in the previous video, by default a new page will open. So we are going to open the page and navigate to the new page by default, right? And then from there you have to navigate to the whatever corresponding application you are going to do by with the help of the navigate method. Okay, after going to navigate, now we need to go and give the, so we are in the URL now. Now we need to go and pass a value in the username text box. Okay, so for that I need to locate the username text box. Okay, so I need to go and take a locator for username field. Okay, I'll take name equal to username. I'll give a write an xpath here. Okay, I go type a relative xpath. Input is a tag name and that attribute equal to value. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll give new page. In the new page, right, I'll give locators. See, we are, it's very simple code. There we give driver dot find element, right, by dot id or xpath locators. We give directly, we can give dot locator and the corresponding xpath we can do. We can do either with xpath or css selector in the Playwright. We can use either xpath. We'll shortly show a demo of CSS selector also. Now I have taken an XPath. In XPath I have taken relative XPath. In that I have taken attribute based XPath. Okay, name is an attribute name and username is a value here, and input is a tag name, and for relative XPath you should give a double slash there. Okay, so I'm passing giving new page dot locator. In this value you should pass a value. For in right Playwright we should type, there might be two options. One is type or fill. Okay, instead of send keys in Selenium we can write fill method or type method here. Okay, there is a short difference between fill method and type method. If I want to quickly pass, right, the value, I'll go for fill method. Okay, if I want to quickly set a value in the field, I'll go for a fill method. If I want to give an right delay in between one user input and then another user input, I'll go for type method. Okay, so if I need to be given delay, right, I'll go for an type method. If I don't want delay, I want to pass a value there. Okay, I'll go for this fill method. Okay, so fill is more faster when compared to type. You can use either type or fill based on the your need and comfort. Okay, so next I'll give the next locator, next text box, right. I'll take that is password. I'll take a XPath for the text box. New page dot locator, reference name dot locator, and I'll give the right XPath for the password. This is also attribute based name and value. Okay, so I took a relative XPath here. I'm using type here. Okay, so you can either use fill or type, both will pass values in the text box. Okay, so instead of send keys we use either type or fill here. Okay, now I'll give new page dot close. Okay, close. Okay, so now I'll run the code. Okay, we didn't click it. Let me finish the click also. We'll take the XPath of click and we'll do it. So we need to click the login button, right? So we'll take the XPath for that login button and we'll give use dot click method to click the particular button. Same thing which you are using in the cell name world. Okay, I took the XPath and I gave click. So now you should enter username admin and password admin 123 and dot click and click the method. Let's run the program and see. Okay, entered username, it entered password, and it went to the next page. So code is working now. Okay, so now we'll add another small thing here. We added now the passing keys, right? Passing values we added keys. We'll add a robot keys also. Okay, so in Java cell name we use robot class, right? Robot keys we use, right? Here also we have a robot keys here. Like for example, in there we use key.press, key.enter, right? Same thing we can use in right in our Playwright also. Okay, suppose, right, there is a username field. I want to move from username field to password field. What you'll use there, keys.tab, right? Same thing, can there is a press tab here. That method, press method, with help of press method we can tab it, right, from username field to password field. Let me write a small code here. Okay, I'll go new page dot. Okay, I commented the password field here. New page dot locator. Then let me copy this one and paste it. Dot. hmm, Then I'll keep it in a locator. Okay, I'll store it in a reference called locator, and I'll use that reference locator dot. Okay, press tab. If I give tab, what happens? It switches from right username tab to the password tab. Okay, so we can use the keyboard operations here. Okay, press tab means it will press the tab here. So we can use the keyboard keys here with the help of this right playwright script. So it should launch, enter the username, and give to come to the next tab. See, it entered username and came to the password tab. Okay, so this is it is working, right. So if I give press tab, then it's right. It moves the keyboard operation. Let me use another one. Keys dot enter. Okay, in the place of this one, right. Click. Let me come and click. Okay, I'll take this one. And commenting the previous line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the locator of right this one password, locator dot press enter. First I'll give tab. Okay, then I'll give locator dot press enter. Okay, first what happens, it comes to the password, right. Then after that it goes to the, it gives a tab means it comes to the right login button, and then it clicks the enter. Okay, so this is how we can use the keyboards to type it in the playwright. So we can use all the words, right? If I want to type E or Q or A, S, right? If I want to give shift, right? We can do everything with the help of this playwright script automation. I click password, right? Click password and click the OK button. The code is working. So press dot tab and press dot enter is working. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, and we'll see in the next part of a video. Have a great day. Meet you soon in the next video. Bye.